Hey guys and gals, sweet project cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways.
Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are at and get you right out of the way.
Busca en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
You can spray your alternator down. It took a long time for us to do the video on this because we want to quell the naysayers out there. Don't worry about it. I'm telling you right now, this is our proof in the pudding that you will not cause problems with your alternator by using a tire shine, tire cleaner on your engine and in your engine compartment. This is perfectly safe. More water comes in the front of your car during a heavy rainstorm into your alternator, and road debris and garbage goes in that alternator than this will ever cause you a problem. Again, we have been doing this, treating this once a month since June of 2017. Never had a problem. Let's start it up for the fun of it.